Virtual assistants, welcome to the brand in a box bundles built just for virtual assistants. So this bundle was designed to help you show up in your digital branding and digital marketing without having to do all of the design work that you really don't want to do and all of the stand inside of Canva and figuring it out. I have put everything together for you in this brand in a box bundle. And in this video, we're going to go through what all is in that bundle. So inside the bundle, we first have, there are 50 Instagram posts. So, and these are social media posts. So Instagram, social media, but these are designed to help you give your audience exactly what they need from you as far as content and information, and really just provide you with a plug and play environment so you can go in here, pick a couple of templates, and create your content for the week. We also included notification posts, which are still social media posts, but it's those cute notification posts that we all love and that will definitely jump out and grab the attention of your audience on the feed. We also have email signatures. These are always nice to close out your email with a nice branded little piece of information from you. This is the pricing and servicing guide, and this really allows you to outline all of your services, pricing, policies, information, your team, your process, everything so that you and your clients start out on the right page and on the same page. These are email newsletter headers. This is super simple to the point, but it just gives you something to put at the top of your newsletters so that you're utilizing that piece of digital real estate. These are virtual event covers. You can also use them as Facebook covers, but these will help you do the same thing to really give your event that something special so that you pop out on the feed. Up next, we have the website template, which I love. I think is super simple, sweet, to the point, and all that good stuff. There's the top, just so y'all can see the top of it. Very straight and to the point. And we also have a welcome packet. The welcome packet is important when it comes to onboarding your client and really extending your branding to your client experience, because this is going to give your clients everything they need, all those little nuggets of information that they need to get started with you. And something like a client welcome packet goes a super long way when it comes to onboarding a new client, especially in the service provider space, because oftentimes there's a lot of policies and procedures and here and there things that you need to inform your clients of from the beginning. And that's also the best way for you to set boundaries. We also have a client roadmap. If you want to take a step further and really give your client a roadmap to success, then you can use these documents to develop them a roadmap. We also have some email newsletters, which are super cool. They can be literally, you can design it here in Canva and then you can upload it to whatever platform you use, be it MailChimp, ConvertKit, whatever platform you use for your email provider. Flow, I like Flow. Flow's a good one. Or Flowdesk. The next thing is your lead magnet. I also like to call these digital product kits because it just gives you so many flex pages that you can design probably 100 different digital products with this 60-page kit. So I love these kits because they really give you the opportunity to develop what your clients need. And then we have a links page that goes with this one as well. And it is pretty much Instagram's version of, this is pretty much Canva's version of link in bio, and you can connect your domain and do all that good stuff, but super short, super sweet, to the point. And then we have some highlights for your Instagram, but the logos are not in here. Hold on, let me do the logos. I don't want to miss that. And I know we have logos because I just saw them. Here we go. This is the logo kit that comes with the virtual assistant pack. And there's all different types of styles in here. really built to help you create the logo that you truly love and that will attract the clients that you're seeking to attract. This virtual assistant bundle was designed with your industry in mind, and it has everything that you need to take care of your brand identity, marketing, and client experience. If you have any questions about the virtual assistant bundle, then don't forget to put those comments and questions below. Welcome to the Brand in a Box Trello board. This is your setup dashboard. It is meant to help you set up your branding bundle with your business in mind and help you get through that content bottleneck that we normally have when we're like, I bought all these templates. Now what? This board is literally going to take you through the entire brand development process. First thing that you see when you come on this board is how to use this Trello board. I'm really big on making sure that people know what they're doing before they do it. So this is going to walk you through how to use everything on this Trello board. If you've never used Trello before, it's going to walk you through that entire process. The next video up here is how to develop a brand plan using this bundle. So each bundle also comes with a setup workbook, and this helps you develop a business plan and a brand strategy, but around these templates that we have given you in this bundle. So whatever bundle you get, this section right here is really meant for you to help you set up and jumpstart your brand development process. And then of course, you'll be able to access your templates from here. And then we go into defining your target market. No matter what industry you're in, I don't care if you think it's the most general industry ever, you should have a target market so that you know exactly who you're talking to in your branding, in your messaging, and in your marketing. The next phase is your visual identity. And so we have video trainings walking you through color psychology and choosing the right fonts, as well as creating a logo using the branded suite provided for your kits, and then editing the brand collateral items. We then have another video that is going to teach you how to build your website. Now, right now, all of the bundles are built with a Canva website. So we're going to teach you how to use Canva's website system and how to set up your own domain and all of that. And then, of course, access your templates. The next phase is marketing. I'm going to teach you how to develop a you-based social media strategy. So a social media strategy that is in alignment with you and how you wish to show up in the world and on social media. The next thing is your developing your lead magnet. Now, we called this a lead magnet, but I actually think we're going to change it to a digital product kit because it's really a plethora of templates that would allow you to develop digital products throughout your business. So the next thing is finding your digital photo set. So if you need stock photos, I'm going to teach you how to find the perfect set of stock photos for your business that you can kind of put in a folder and use over and over again to create brand recognition. And then we have the client experience. I'm a big believer on extending that beautiful brand you just created into the client experience. So each pack has client experience documents and different little touches that could really enhance your client experience. And then the last one, it's a bonus, is how to create an exciting buzz around your launch. Even if you've already launched your business before and this is just a rebrand, you still want to create a launch so that you can let everybody know what type of products you have, what type of service you have, what they can get, and all the good information that you have to share. This is the Brand in a Box setup dashboard, and this was really truly designed to help you fly through the process, breeze through the process without getting confused or stressed out, because we all know, I don't know if y'all have done it, but I've done it. I have purchased templates and then I'm like, what is it that I am to do? Like, what do y'all want me to do? How am I supposed to? Now what? I purchased the templates and they look nice, but now what? So that you don't have the now what questions, we have this entire setup dashboard that is meant to get you set up in less than a week. The virtual assistant bundle was designed for service pros and virtual assistants to feel like they can really show up online without having to go through all of, y'all, I thought I had everything in these folders.